How many years are you now heading the Public Attorney's Office?
23 years and 3 months.
Of those 23 years, ma'am, syempre life is not perfect. Lahat naman po dumadaan sa stumbles. Hindi naman po tayo binigay ng Diyos dito sa lupa para mabuhay ng perfect. Ma'am, in those 23 years, can you absolutely say na meron pong isang memory or isang event as a chief na talagang nagturo sa inyo bilang abogado, babae at nanay?
Ang most memorable case that I handled is the case of the 1,200 death convicts. Way back 2004, or 20 years ago, President Gloria Macapagal Arroyo was very firm in executing by lethal injection these convicts at 200 ay nakasalang at may 2 isasalang ng January 30, 2004. But Father Ulager of New Bilibid Prison, Robert Ulager, approached me and told me, Chief, papayag ka bang mabitay ang mga bibitayin? Sabi ko, of course not. Do we have newly discovered evidence, Father? May 2 hindi pa nahuhuli dun sa mga kidnapper na sinasabi. Mahuhuli natin. Ipatigil mo bitay. So I filed a petition for suspension of execution before the Supreme Court. And then Father Ulager went to Surigao and went to Mindanao and Visayas with the police officers handling the warrant of arrest that I took from the court. Nahuli yung 2. So, kinuna ko ng judicial affidavit, sinatats ko, and then I argued on January 26, 2004 before the August halls of the Supreme Court, before the magistrates. First time in the history of PAO, Chief, was conducting an oral argument. So, sabi ng mga nandito, ma'am, talo tayo dyan. Final na yan. Executory na yan. Bibitayin na nga eh. Nag-dry na nga eh. At may isang dati regional director ako na nagsabi, ipapahiya mo ba, Chief, ang opisina? Ano sabi ko? Sumama kayo, manood lang kayo. Nag-iisa ako hanggang sa sumama sa akin yung handing lawyer sa baba, sa RTC, handing lawyers sa taas, sa appeal. Bago kami punta sa Supreme Court, sabi ko, let us pray. Yung isa ayaw mag-pray. I could just kneel down. Pray kami. Then punta kami. Sumama sa akin na yung mga senior diyan kasi siyempre chief. Pagdating doon sa Supreme Court, talagang kinilabutan ako because akala ko ang Soldier lalaban sa PAO. They join us. And even the Commission on Human Rights, Tita Puring Kisumbing. And then the Amnesty International also joined us. The European Union staged a rally behind our motion. So, nanalo. 8-6 ang boto. Divided, 8 pabor sa suspension, 6 ang nagsabing bitayin, 1 abstain. So, sabi ko, mahirap talagang ma-unite kasi talagang iba-iba ng mga Ang pinaka-argument na hindi ko makakalimutan doon, when I was asked by the then Associate Justice Artemio Panganiban, was there a crime committed? Parang 4 times niya akong tinanong. Ang sagot ko, I don't know. I don't know, Your Honor. Why? You were not there, Your Honor. I was not there. Everyone in this August halls was not there. Only God knows whether there was a crime committed. Why should we put the blood of these 2 men at our hands and kill them? Paano po kung merong newly discovered evidence? Mabubuhay ko pa ba sila sa sementeryo? Of course not. I cannot tell them anymore. Bangon, bangon, halika kayo, uwi na tayo. May mga talagang salarin pala at hindi kayo. And that was the turning point of the oral argument.